Hey, look at that. I think we're live, maybe, possibly, perhaps. Yay, look at that. We're live. We're doing live things. Hey, it's liveness with the liveness. How's it going? How you doing? How are things? How's existence treating you all? I'm doing pretty darn okie dokie. What about yourselves? What the fuck? Sorry, I just tried to do something on my stream rig, and it seemed to have been consumed. Okay, that worked for some reason. I don't know why. Okay, you know what? You know what? Let's not worry about it. let's pretend that nothing has gone wrong ever, and keep going. So, to move forward a little bit, now that I've adjusted my mouse back to the proper monitor, the issue is that we have a death in the family that we need to resolve still, and the death in the family is going to be the Tibison, the dying Tibison. So because of that, we'll see over here, this is kind of like the back end for the bot thing. You can ignore this, I haven't really kept this up to date too much. But the long story short is I need to fix a lot of this, and it's a pain in the ass, but we're going to try to get it done. I should probably update this and see if it's actually live or not, because if this isn't live, this is going to be a massive pain in the ass. Let's see. Hi, it's the thing! You know, I might as well post this in the chat quickly. Let's do that. Let's post this in the chat quickly, or the Discord server. Let's see, where is for the stream? Let's see, here's tonight's stream. No ping because it's a chill stream. But yeah, anyways, so I guess I'll give you all a tour of TiB and some of the progress that I've made as like an update so far. So this is the TiB thing running locally, right? So if we refresh, you'll see that these two windows get created. This window is going to be a window for chat. It's just green for green screening purposes, right? And then there's this window, which is for like events and stuff. So like if a prediction is made or anything like that, that's where this will appear here, right? And then we can ignore this here because I've reworked this. Because if we scroll down, I believe, or is it up? What? It should be here. Did I not? Is it not displayed? I could have sworn, unless this is one of the issues already kicking in, because it was something like dot chat message contain. Yes, this one right here. I might have commented out the bubble just so it isn't visible anymore. Yeah. So we'll go like this quickly then, and then we'll just look for the other closing one right there. So it's gonna be just like that. There's the comment blocks done. So then if we refresh this, we will now see here towards the top, this is the new, this is what the new message windows are going to look like, with some asterisks. Like, this doesn't match and there's some issues like that I'm going to fix. But the idea is it's like, you know, it's like, here's your thing, here's your community engagement. I think I might add some slot for like right here for like a display badge, like something like that, right? So you can show off if like you're either like the prime chatter or like maybe something in the background, like you've been like a like active community member or something like that. But that's what that little corner right there is probably going to be for it in the future, right? This will be if there's a bot command detected, and then all of this right here is just going to be like the message. This is just lorem ipsum, which is like a Latin text thing found a while ago. Basically you just use it so you don't like lock too much onto any word, and you can like kind of like more get a feel for the body instead of the actual thing. Hello, Adam. How's it going? How's the Adam doing? In fact, actually, you just gave me a great idea, Adam, seeing your message pop up. I'm going to make a pop-out chat that just sits on the left side that I'm going to be able to watch. Tee-hee-hee-hee-hee. Look at that. It's like I can watch chat like somebody who's proper now. But yeah, fun little side thing. And welcome, Adam. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're having fun. But yeah, and then I'm also gonna add like a bunch of customization stuff to this. So, like this can be an icon that's just like your profile, right? I'll make it so you can like customize the tail, the like yellow background here. I'm gonna make it so that you can like customize the like yellowish of it. I'm gonna also do stuff like borders, where you can do like custom borders to kind of make it all like fun and fancy and stuff like that. So lots of stuff I'm gonna be dicking with and playing with to have fun with. But we're gonna have to play with that later or something. Because as it is right now, that is a no. That is a no. The issue is, as well, is that once we refresh the page and we go here, you'll see there's a bunch of issues that are generated, and I have no idea why these issues are being generated. It was working completely fine. I made some minor changes, which I don't perceive ever having to do anything with the thing, and then now it's just like, hey, shit isn't working. That's cool. So, fuck me. So that's the vibe we're rocking. So first thing I'm going to do is, so I've made some utilities. Let me make this wider for the stream. And let me make this a touch bigger so y'all can see. And then, yeah, I also fixed some issues on my Mac. So now we should be able to stream on the Mac persistently without encountering shit fuck tons of bugs and stuff like that. So, yay! Anyways, yeah, let's go like this. I think that's a more comfortable size. I like that size. I'll make sure there's no windows that are open that I should probably have open. Let's force quit you. Let's force quit you. Let's force quit you. We're gonna force quit you. I might need you open. What I'm gonna do very quickly is I'm gonna switch over to the stream rig and just hide the screen cap just for a second, because I should have checked this first, but I just want to make sure that the that there's that I'm not gonna show anything that I shouldn't show. So give me just 2 seconds. This was literally me like trying to get the stream rig working, and then I didn't realize the stream started. No, Tony, I told you that it would start like as soon as possible. I just had to make sure that like I wasn't gonna like fuck anything up. And now that I confirmed that's working, it's like a hell yeah. So there you go, Tanyo. Haha muhi ha hu ha 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 hu ha hu ha hu ha hu ha ha. I'm just closing down pretty much any background process because thank you. There's that. Get rid of that. That could stay open, I think. That can stay open. That can stay open. We're gonna close Zettler. Yeah, okay, there we go. I think I fixed it, so I'll show the screen share again in a second. Cries and stupid, you fine. You sound very tired, Tony, so, you know, being tired is basically drunk, so... I can't say I'm not, like, prepared for it. Anyways. Shall we continue work on the Tiberson? Whoa, Volpe? Me? Yeah, I somehow managed to start streaming. It's crazy, right? Long story short, so this is something a lot of people won't care about. I guess I'll show this quickly. So if I go to my system settings, long story short is I've had a lot of issues trying to stream to my stream rig from macOS for a bit. So you'll see right now, programs that have a little dot under it, like Notes, is open right now. You can see OBS is closed right now because I'm not streaming from OBS right now. What this is this is a wireless cast to my stream rig, which is running NixOS. That's why it says NixOS. So it's a wireless stream to NixOS. So what you guys are seeing right now for the visual, this is all wireless. This is just being cast, which makes streaming from macOS and getting the stuff started and hooked up and working just so much nicer for me. So much nicer. So guess what? It's a permanent issue that's been resolved. I'm also gonna leave the audio in the background open right now because I don't want to what do you call it? I don't want to leave the like this is a chill stream. I won't let y'all listen to your own music, so you know, the idea is sort of like kind of vibe and hang as I debug and fix things. So the idea is I got to fix all of this red. Add Volbate so it's easier, right? The streaming, yes. The streaming, yes. This is significantly easier. Because the issue is so there's this thing called, let's see, AverMedia, HDCP, protection. So there's this screen you'll see which looks like, let's see, I'm just gonna say screen. This isn't actually it, but this is close enough. It's like copyright protected content. Basically, it'll just say like HDCP content protection, right? What it basically means is closer to this, actually. Not exactly this, but it's closer to this. This is actually almost what I see, but it's white text that's just like in an ugly font. But you'll see this because what basically happened is that video standards will be like, oh, you can't stream this because, you know, there's copyrighted content. And I'll be like, why? There shouldn't be any copyrighted content right now. And macOS handles it kind of dumbly, so you can't really like properly show it or anything like that, which just makes it a giant pain in the ass. So that's very painful. But what makes it even better is that, what do you call it? Whoops, I don't know why I went there. Anyways, but so what makes this then great is that now I can stream wirelessly and not have this issue. Which, again, just for like the sake of streaming is just mwah. But we need crunch bugs. So let's get to that. So what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to remove this stuff because this stuff wasn't planned out very well. So what's the overarching container on this? Whoopsies. What the hell are you? You are... Can I grab the parent for all of you? TiB controls. Div ID is equal to, whoopsies, let's go like this, I guess. No, I guess, okay, div, ID is equal to, TiB. Oh, because I'm on the wrong tab. Oopsies. Like that. Let's try this. What if I do, like, controls? There we go. So we're just gonna get rid of all of this. Oh, is the highlight not selecting? Oh, it's not selecting the thingamajigam. That's a pain in the ass. Let's see, where does it end? Because I'm trying to just erase this. I think it'd be like right here if I had to guess. I don't know. Does that fix it? Looks like it fixes it. I don't really need anything past here. Is there like a ghost div right here? Doesn't seem to be. So there's the H1 and there's just that. So as long as the H1 makes sense, it's H1 style and then a couple divs. H1, is there like 2 divs up here? There is not. Okay, that's fine. This is just styling. This is just me just trying to clear this out a little bit. Harry, you a motherfucker. You can't be doing this. What the fuck is wrong with you, man? Okay, for that, we gotta do it. Harry, can you DM me a picture of a manual quickly? Because, yes, I will let them live permanently in the code base just for that. Just for that, I will let them live permanently in the code base. Holy shit. There might be one in the server kicking around. I just don't know where exactly it is. Because I'm just gonna throw it into like an image to whatever. Oh my god, the XP, I didn't actually even think of that. Oh my god. So hey, this is what a $50 donation or Australian donation will do to you. Holy fucking shit. Oh my god, that's fucking insane. Bruce put $50 on the Emmanuel camo. Well, you see, the thing is that this is all going to be like open source and public, so people will be looking through the code base and then they'll just see fucking a manual because this is going to be open source, so TiB is going to live here. TiB is just going to be perpetually here now. Looks like you get on top. No, Adam, you don't. Your support is plenty. Oh my god. Okay, here. Wonderful. No balls? No, Harry. You see, after dropping a 50, there's certainly balls that need to be fucking landed or whatever. Let's see. We're gonna save the image. Let's see. I'm just gonna toss this in my downloads. Save. Let me just open the folder over here. My downloads. Okay. So what we're gonna do quickly is we're just gonna do very quickly. Image to ASCII or ASCII art. And we're gonna toss it like this. We're gonna drag in the thing. Where is it? Where the fuck is it? Where the fuck is the manual? I think that's the old manual, isn't it? Yeah, that's the old manual. I actually lied here. I did have an old picture of an manual, but you know what? This is probably a better one anyways. So the characters we need to limit to, I think, 80. Can I just... Oh my god, just let me fucking select this and just make it 80. Holy shit. Because 80 is generally the max, like, character width that you'll set, right? So we're gonna go here. Volume max. Actually, I should do this. We're just gonna do like this. We're gonna go to console. We're gonna go here. Oh, is it just public? ASCII width dot value is equal to 80. Boink. I don't know if that equaled 80. Did it update? Wait, hold on. What if I say, like, 20? No, okay, so it's not doing it. I see how it is. Okay, got it. Just gonna do document.get elements by id. Living rent free. At this point, yes. At this point, very much yes. This is why TiB thinks he's got a brain. Sorry, what? Sorry, this is why TiB thinks he's got his brain has a manual. Yes. Can you make it so it needs the manual PNG to run TF2 coconut style? I don't think I can do that in JavaScript, but that would be fucking hilarious. I mean, like, I technically can, but it would just be an error, so it'd be like a very forced, doesn't really count thing. Alright, let's see, we're doing ASCII width dot value is going to be equal to, let's say just 20 as a test. Is it not working? I could have sworn it's literally just this. I got it anyways. Alright, let's try and adjust the values to increase maximum manualness. Saturation. I think that does actually help. Grayscale. What if I invert? Oh, that actually makes it look better, I think. Buff TiB comes soon. Oh my god. What? You can't be doing this to me! What if we adjust the sharpness? I'm just trying to tweak these so that we can get, like, the maximum manual out of this. Oh my god. That one almost looks better. Because I don't think we'll be able to capture the eyes. I kind of almost like this one, because it's a ghost of a manual. It looks like a fucking shadow. Or also this one too, where it's just a block of just, what the fuck is that? I could also just do something kind of like there. Because that one you can at least, like, make out the hands, right? Let's see. Nah, Septia, nah. Lower the contrast, maximize the contrast. I think that actually might be kind of where we're leaning towards. Actually, we'll do edge detection. We'll do shape density, lower, higher. Oh, perfect. Oh my god, that's almost perfect. Transparent frame. Squish the dude, make them bigger. The tank is still visible in the fog of war, exactly. I think this one is actually basically it. Quality enhancements. What? Floyd? Ooh. Just curious what else there is. I kind of like the Floyd just a tiny bit more. It just helps the shape just a tiny bit. Just a teensy little bit. The tank is still visible. I think I read that one already, but yes, it's still making me kickle. It's still making me kugel. Oh my gosh. Alright, is this working? Yeah, okay, I think this is working. So what we're gonna do real quickly, we're gonna do this in the actual thing here. We're gonna go like this. I'm gonna go like here. Because this will be a nice wall. Emmanuel will guard the constructor that we're not supposed to add things to. He's both the guardian of hell and also the guardian of holy shit, we're not, like, letting anything past here. There we are. Is that everything you were hoping for and more? For context, my default terminal resolution is actually much closer to, like, here when I'm working. So this is what pretty much everybody will see. They'll be scrolling, it's like, okay, so there's code, okay, got it, what? Huh. Like, that's gonna be the reaction. Like, that's what's gonna happen, like, every fucking time. Oh my god. Can we get an ASCII TiB at the start as a logo? I don't even know how the fuck I would make that. Just a fucking OWO. Alright, also here, Harry, let me do one more thing for you as an asterisk. So we're gonna do this, and we're gonna do, like, we cannot delete this as, some mad lad, at, let's do, just your YouTube handle, I guess, at, Cunning, Stunts Inc. That's actually all lowercase, so whoopsies. Everything except for the first one. Cunning Stunts Inc. Stunts Inc. Dropped a 50 banger, thank yous, Elite. There we go. Alright, now Harry, so here's the line, right? We're gonna do that, but then what we're also going to do is we're gonna do, qgit, dash M, Emmanuel is, immortal. Oh, immortal. Boink. Yes. Once this is done, okay. So now, Harry, you might be thinking like, oh, this isn't that big of a thing, right? github.com/Volbyte. That might not seem like that big of a deal, but you see, if we go to my repositories now, we go to my website, because that's where this is technically living now, and then you go to commits, you will see through all these tests, you'll see like TiB now is TTS and users list is working, siege randomizer added, attempted to fix web TTS manager import conflict. Emmanuel is now immortal. This literally lives in like my website's history now forever. It is just forever here. There is no removing it. This is, well, I guess also the YouTube channel now as well. It's a fucking wombo combo. So this shit fucking lives. Oh my god. The 50 banger is fucking insane. The 50 banger is fucking nuts. Let's see. Basie lives on now forever in our hearts and our minds and our TiB logic. What the hell is this? Oh, I'm just asking. Okay, yeah. I thought that was something else for a second. I was like, what? Alright. Now on to working, hopefully. Yeah, so we have a bunch of things here that we need to fix. I think I accidentally deleted... No, I didn't. Never mind, that's fine. But yeah, so now I have to basically fix a lot of these generation things. This is just a template. The green background here is just so I can see like the outline and stuff easier. Okay, let's try and fix this shit now. Oh my god. Thank you once again. Thank you. Oh my god. Alright, where are we at? So, message fallback, generating UI for the first time. Okay. So, there's an issue right now where this shit is not fucking working. So, let's go back to debug print, because I have a better way that I can do this. What I could do is I could do the build methods. So, we're gonna do... I'm trying to think of how I want to do this. So, okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do, let's see, we're gonna do statements. Whoopsies, not what I want to do. Hold on. We're gonna do let statement is gonna be equal to just an empty string. Whoopsies. Water ball. Sorry, one of these will have the balls to donate $500. Jesus Christ, do not, Tony. Do not, please, for the love of fuck. For the love of shit, fuck, please, no. Oh my god. That is fucking insane. Sorry, Roar just asked me, what's that on your monitor? It's like, it's a broken monitor. Alright, anyway, so here we're going. So we're gonna go, so we're gonna do, let's see, so we're gonna do statement is gonna be plus equal to, args.message, or null. Actually, let's just do this. We're gonna go like this, because it's just nicer to have checks. If, so we're gonna do try, because try and catches are annoying, but they work. Statement plus equals, boop, args.message. And then we're gonna add a space at the end of it, just to be safe. Then we'll catch the error. Yeah. Well, there we are. So then going from here, we need to catch the error. I gotta close Discord because this is why I don't have Discord open, because I got distracted like twice. Okay, Discord's gone. It's become erased. There's nothing now. It's been eviscerated. It's been erased, the existence. Oh, okay. Then what we're doing is we're just gonna do a console.log, because why not? Console.log, we're then just gonna say, args.message is, undefined, cannot append a message. Boink. Awesome. Then after do that, then we're gonna then do So the message, then we're gonna do try catch again. I'm just gonna copy this because that just makes so much more sense. We're gonna go to here. We're gonna do instead of message, we're going to do val. Actually, we're gonna do JSON.stringify val. JSON.stringify the value, because in that way we don't have to worry about it. Then S, we're doing args.val. Whoopsies, val is undefined. Whoopsies, val is undefined. Doop-a-doop. Actually, I'll do this. I'll do args.val or args.value, because that makes sense. Don't listen to Toady, Harry. It's not worth it. And then we'll then also try do a quick boink, followed by a paste. Then we're gonna go here. Then we're gonna go select the inner shite here. Then we're gonna do args.err or args.error. Let's see, args dot, whoopsies, args dot, is undefined, kind of append message, that's fine. Then what I'm going to do now, as a slight difference thing, is I'm going to skip all of this, because then I move the error catching or whatever to somewhere else, right? So we're going to ignore that. And then I shouldn't need to throw anymore either. And then what I'm going to do as well is I'm going to go like this to just clean this all up, because holy shit, this is a... Whoopsies. Just because holy shit, this is a mess. I'm going to just do this as well for an L. I'll keep the default. Thank you, Bubs. What do you say? Living with ADHD is dangerous. One moment you're locking in, saying for a test, the next moment you're dating $5 to a twink online. Shut up! That's not how this works. That's not how this works. I'm not a twink. I'm not a twink. Fuck you. Let's see. We're gonna go like this. Awesome. Real fucking... Okay, then what I'm going to do is if, okay, we're going to go like this, doink, we're going to go undefined, awesome, real, verify, let's go with that. Oh my god. Confirmed by true American patriots. I'm gonna have to start, like, drop kicking people. I'm gonna have to start shaking people vigorously. Sorry, I forgot about this on stream. I'm not sure, like, those of you could see. Oh, yeah, so you can see my mouse cursor. Right beside my cursor up here, you can just see the whispers of people who've donated stuff. Just the hush. Oh my gosh, let's see. So then I'm just gonna do real quickly, we're gonna say if oh, actually no, error doesn't have any styling to it, nor does that. So we're just gonna do let's see, we're gonna do console.log. And then we're just gonna do message, I guess. I know statement. Statements. Yank it, paste it. I mean, I guess I might as well just do this. No, I don't, because this needs to be an error. Error, this one down here needs to be a warn, and then this one down here needs to be a log. Whoop. Whoopsies. Yank. We're gonna do whoopsies. We're gonna do this, but now we're gonna do I believe it's a %C, and then statement, followed by I think the style. So we're gonna do args.style or empty. I don't know if that works, but I'm going to try it anyways and hope that it does. Because I want to clear up a lot of these errors. Debug print fallback. Why debug print fallback? Okay, I guess I don't know. Debug prints. Oops. Let's see, damn Tony's room... Vulba's more Twinkie than Twink. I don't know. I don't know if I'm mad at you for agreeing with me, or I'm mad at, or sorry, I don't know if I'm happy you agreed with me, or if I'm mad that you said that shit. The mad is a /. Yes, don't worry, Tony. That's a joke. That's a joke. Okay, Chairman, my guy. Thank you, thank you. Wish you minimal bugs and a competent AI, i.e. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Dankeschön. Have a good night, have a good sleep, have a good rest. Have many snoozes, sleep well. Let's see. Where the fuck are we going? No, I'm gonna fingernail. So then what we're gonna do now is we're gonna do just print the log to the fallback error. And the catch. Where's the catch? Where's the catch? Where's the catch? Excuse me? Where the fuck is the error catch? What? Oh, wait, what? It's skipping? Args.type is not being processed, which is weird as fuck. Wait, why is args.type not... What? Sorry, that's one of those errors that's befuddling me. Why the hell is that the error? Why the hell is that the error? Why the hell is that the error? Could not add user to list. Alright, let's see. We're gonna go, could not add, I don't think I used a capital C there. Could not add user to list, no document. Does it just error if I don't specify the type? Type is equal to a log. Let's do a warn, I guess. Warn. And then refresh this crap. Okay, see the test user thing. Bye guys, I gotta log in and do drugs. Very good. The twing may not have been real, but the test was... what test? What test did I miss? So hang on. During fallback, during UI for the first time, message no container. Do I have to add a... No, I shouldn't need to add a type for everything. This is just tripping. So we're gonna go back to the debug print thing, and we're gonna say if type is undefined, then we're gonna do a thing. Let's see. If oops, I'm gonna say if args.type is equal to oops, that's a y, undefined, find. Then we're gonna say args.type is equal to log. Moink. Awesome. Refresh. Yeah, that cut down the errors significantly. So now we're no longer getting the error mail going. Let's see. Cannot assign property type on generating blacklist UI, non-object. Okay, so that's on line 4253. 4253. I'm gonna make a mark here. So we're at this point. So what's the one directly below it? It should be 4253, and then it's 4274, which is... Wait, 4274, what? What? 4247, that makes more sense. Okay, 4247, so it's literally right here. So what's the hell happening? Config type of... Okay, so it's saying type is erroring it? Can assign property type on generating plus another thing. The type isn't a thing, so where's that erroring within here? Generating battery is config, blah, blah, blah. 3320. So we're gonna go 3320. No, I just read that one. Appeal MJS 320-3320. 3320. That's where that is. Well, somebody should donate $100 next. Totally don't encourage it. But yeah, where the hell is 3320? 3320 is literally right here. Generating battle was configured. Generating blacklist UI. That. Understanding it. I get this entirely, but what the frick is this? Sorry, I'm just utterly befuddled. And because it's like, how is this erroring on the fucking first print? Or is this because of the debug print? Oh, it is because of the debug print. Oh, I see the error. I'm blind. It's because I was looking at the other thing. Message, this, stoop. Let's refresh that. That should probably fix this. Hey. Oh, did that generate the blacklist UI or did it arrow? It generated! Holy shit, maybe did I just fuck up something simple? Encourage it, chat, please. Swap needs cash. I am a broke bitch, but that's for a different purpose. Or not for a different purpose, but it's like, what do you call it? My... Listen, it would be fantastic. But, like... Sorry, what? Cannot... Okay. That's a thing. Anyways, as I was saying, it would be insanely appreciated, and I will invest it more into the stream if I get donations. And doing this, funding this helps me do this more. That's what I will say. Let's see. Can I decide your type bad words display if your battery is okay, let's just get through this. So the next error is on 410. Coming from 4264, I think it was 4264. Message cannot generate control type thingamajigam. Okay, so here's where the actual error started. So the error is just undefined. Got it. Chat, this Duber is like a fucking dev. You don't know that he will be bankrupt in 20 plus years. Joke's on you. You're already basically bankrupt. Haha. Where are we at? So it's just saying right here, generating undefined. Cannot generate control UR. It's just saying I have the error right here, but it's just like nah. Okay, so this is very clearly like an issue. So where the hell are we at? So there's clearly an error getting like this statement. We're gonna do this. We're gonna like yank all this. We're just gonna try this again because I don't know why the like or statement has not been working the way that I like. I've been trying to use it, but it's just been kind of icky. Let's try this again. So going back to here. Cannot generate this in it. Yeah, okay. Cannot. Awesome. Is there a thing here that it says cannot? No. And it is an error, so it's classifying the error properly. Undefined, undefined. You know what I'll do is I'll do this, actually. I'm going to do something like this, where I'm going to go... statement... I'm going to actually change it to an object, I think, actually. We're going to go like this. We're going to go say... val is going to be equal to this. Whoopsies. Let's go like this. Val is going to be equal to this. And I'll just stringify it at the end, because why not? Because why the frick not? Sorry, statement. Val is going to be equal to that. I also need to do this. There we are, better. Yeah, that's more succinct. I like that. I like that a lot more. So we're doing statement message is going to be equal to args.message plus that, or a little error. Then I'm going to say this. I'm going to say value. Then we're going to skip. Then we're going to go to here. Then we're going to instead get rid of all this. I'm going to say args plus error statement. Error is going to be equal to this. Or the error, the proper error. Because why not? Error is going to be equal to this thing. Let's get rid of some of that. Awesome. Comma, that's pretty fucking obvious. Now where the hell are we going? So we got statements. So then what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go back to here. I'm gonna go JSON.stringify this thing right here. I'm gonna go 4, or no, sorry, that's dash null, then dash 4. Then we're gonna go like this. Oh wait, no, we're gonna go yoink. That didn't work. Inner yank it. Then we're gonna go from like here. Whoopsies. Then we're gonna go from here to like here. No, here, just here. I'm gonna paste that in there. We're gonna go find the J, yank it again. Then we're gonna go, I think just this. Boink. One more bracket to make it happy. No, wrong bracket type. Oopsies. There we are. Wonderbar. Alright, now that we got all that rocking, does that fix the errors at all? That has the same amount of errors. Wonderful. Empty string. Parse that message undefined. Cannot append a message. Oof. Can't wait for my TiB come. Ah, soon. I'm hoping to get it done this week. That's what I'll say. Oh, wait, no, that's supposed to be an error. Do this. Or arg.message. I might just need to rework this because, holy crap, this is being an absolute pain in the ass. And I know I'm kind of reworking it right now, but I just don't like this. Let's see, can I assign property type on the database for display for .object? Okay, so the throw works fine. Okay, what the hell are you? Okay, that's the same error. So this is literally just not printing anything. So we go down here. Also log. Oh, because the throw isn't set either. So let's go like this, and we're gonna go error dot no, sorry, we're gonna do new error and we'll just do another JSON dot stringify, and then we'll stringify the statements. Wonderful. So there's a new error there. So that should handle the throws. Then we gotta fix the warn, which is then gonna be JSON.stringify. Boop. There we are. Beautiful. Fantastical. Then we're just gonna change this to a log. Doink. I think what I might do. Whatever, let's just try this and see how it goes. Because realistically, I should never see those. Ever. We're still at 9, for whatever freaking reason. I don't know why. Every time I think I do something, it's always like, nah. I still like this pattern. Let's just do this, and let's go back to what the original one was. We're gonna go null for everything, though. Null. 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 Actually, wait. I think there's a different way to do this. I could have sworn there's a better way to do this, but oh, Schwebs. You know, let's just try to make this whole thing fucking way simpler and just see how this goes. We're gonna find the other, not that one. We're gonna go down to here, where I see a big ass error chunk. There we are. We're gonna go into here. Oh, a little bit further than I thought it would be. Like the sick fuck. And then what we're gonna do instead is we're just gonna say, hey, guess what? Monsieur debug print. We're just gonna go console.log stringify the args. We're gonna do JSON.stringify. Let's just see how this goes and just give it a dandy old time. Because holy crap, errors are the bane of my existence. That's better. Oh, I should probably add some formatting to that. We're gonna do error null 4. There we are. That should help out a good chunk. Because holy crap. Yeah, so that makes sense. During UI for the first time. Look at this. It's all making so much more sense. During UI bar config. Now the question, did this work out magically? Because if this worked out magically, I would be a little bit tilted. This looks like it might have worked out. I refuse to believe that this worked out, but if this did work out, I would be a little bit tilted. Let's view the sub-windows quickly, because there should be 2 messages here. There isn't, so there's still errors happening. Okay. So then let's just, instead of all this, we're going to go yank. We're going to go like this. So I'm just going to reset this entirely. We're going to like... Oh, no, we're going to do that. We're going to do paste. Yoink. Let's see what Tony's saying. Stands up in the back of the crowd, said to bring out the TiB. That is the hope. That is the entire hope. We're going to do warn. Ink. Paste. Error. Then we're gonna go new error. Whoopsies. New error. Beautiful. And the default will also be the log. Like that. Alright, let's try this one more time and see if that preserves the erroring and stuff, because it should. If it doesn't, then it's going to make me sad. Error message, someone door document missing. Okay, yeah, this is pretty much what I'm looking for exactly. Because everything else is great. Oh, it's time to add the users as well, which is good, because you can see it's trying to add test users. Which is good. They could add these to the list node document. That's a fucky one. Okay, let's fucking figure this one out. Oh, yes. And I also gotta go here, and I go like error. JSON.stringify error or null. Then we're go here. JSON.stringify error or null. Actually, it's gonna be args.error. Args.error. There we are. Let's just try that. See if that mostly works. So then we try something else. It's gonna be loosely in line with it. Recognize the errors equal to that. So that's the issue. So the warn is still printing a thing. So we're gonna do args.error or then we'll go here, then we'll go args.error or there we are. Does this fix it? No, the error is still incomprehensible. Awesome. This is preferably not how I'd want it to go. Oh, it's because I'm also not doing it for the warns. So hey, so let's go here. We'll go JSON.stringify args.error or args.error or null. By sanitizer, that's fine. Just that stringify is not a function. Yes, it is. Don't you tease me with that shit. I know what I'm doing. It just put in the wrong capitalization. Function names and methods should always be capitals. Fight me. There we are. Type error, no, okay. So the error here for cannot add thing, no listed document is just null. Okay, got it. Can I at least stack trace you? I can't stack trace you? What? Anyway, could not add use it to list no document. Okay, let's just try that. Could not add user to list, no document. That seems fucking insane to me. That makes actually no sense to me. The only thing that is intentionally expecting to throw is that. So I'm gonna go back to here. Oh, wait, no, this is a separate try catch. Wait. No, okay, yeah, that's fine. Cannot add you to list, no document. We have an error message that's listed here. Why the hell are you being weird? Can I add you to the list, no document? Okay, that seems like a different error that should be happening now. Okay, I know you're calling this, and then this is saying, like, no document. Which is what's weird to me. Why are you triggering? Let's see. Try. We're gonna go like this. We're gonna go then go catch. Wait. This isn't actually erroring. Hold the fucking phone. Hold the phone. Wait, window.cockatiel.users. Or no, sorry, we should do get users. Get users. It's an empty object. So the issue is that there's no users being added. For whatever fucking reason. Say fuck? Can see right here, message adding user. It's trying to add these users. Try to the list, no document. Alright, let's try that one. Could not add user to list. No document. Wait, does that mean that it just omits... Wait, maybe I have a fundamental misunderstanding. This shouldn't be a try catch at all, actually. Because that should just be its own handled error that does its own thing. Hold on. Users are still empty. Hold the phone. Hold the freaking phone. Then add users. Update user display. If no this, then that. Yeah, that's fine. See, the issue is that update user display. I could technically decouple this with like a signal pattern, which I'm not sure I want to do. Because this shouldn't be erroring. That's what's confusing me. Like, why is this erroring? Type log. Like, this shouldn't be erroring, which is what's confusing me. That's not the error we're trying to fix. Let's just get rid of logs. No, cannot add error to error. Cannot add user to users. Type null. Okay, the fuck? Could not add user to users. That makes more sense, but why are you fucking doing this? Type error. Error is going to be equal to error. Let's refresh the page again. Bring this back. Did not refresh? That was weird. Similar document mission cannot add user to users. Errors fucking not being printed properly. So let's just fix that. Okay. Is it because of this? Like the or statements here? Now, what if we do this then? What if we go like, say, let's see, let error is going to be equal to, I'm going to say error message is going to be equal to, that only needs one of these. I don't know why I did like this. Error message is going to be equal to JSON dot stringify args dot or this is the way it is. I just really don't like this pattern. JSON dot stringify args dot error or I'm just gonna say an empty string. There. And instead of having this ugly ass pattern here, we're gonna go like this. Then we're gonna say let's do an error message. I also need to format this. We'll do comma null, comma 4. Comma null, comma 4. There. Yep. Error message you $, doot. Error message the $, error message. Error message. Oops, message. Conspace error message. This should work out. Doesn't work out. I'm gonna cry. Users type error. Error is equal to empty. Why is the fucking error message empty? Did I accidentally throw? Let's see. Could not add user to users. Create user from flags. There's one throw there. Already exists. Oh, you know what? Because I'm probably throwing here, which is part of the issue. This dot debug print. Oh, because you're not a fucking object. I'm a fool. Message is equal to this. Oh my god, I am a dummy. Type is gonna be equal to we're gonna do a throw. Oh my god. That is the users. This is coming from anonymous function, you say. It really shouldn't be. So what the hell's going on here? So we're at line 3, 27, whatever the frick. Maybe this doesn't want to be a throw? I'll make you a warn. We'll make you a warn. Just gotta verify this. Cannot use it. Yeah, that makes sense to be an error, but where else could you be throwing? Add user to user, which would be here. Can you show me a more detailed stack trace other than anonymous? That'd be great. Is Sir Terminal the third almost done? Not even close. It's gonna be a hot minute until that, Tony. Let's see, adding users to users, val user. Okay. User already in database, not adding, type 1, value equals that. Okay, that makes sense. Return. State users. The only I can think of is maybe... I don't think it's that. Don't think it's that. It's this one. The only thing I can think of is that maybe debug print is causing the error, where what's happening is it's trying to get the value, and it's just shitting the bed on that. Let value is equal to json.stringify args dot value, comma space no, comma space 4, or json dot stringify args dot val comma space no, comma space 4, or an empty string. Because this realistically shouldn't be printing like this. It's just too verbose. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna say let's do say let message is TiB. No, it is not that. Message is, I'm just gonna do MSG. MSG is gonna be equal to args dot message or an empty string. And it's gonna go like this. Boop. Then we're gonna go I'm gonna do let statements is gonna be equal to message plus value plus error message. Boop. There we are. All right, let's see. We're gonna go here again now. Then we're just gonna say statements. This is me kind of trying to figure out some stuff as well. Boop, paste, yank, paste, yank, paste, vi yank x, vi yank, paste, yank. Yeah, we'll do that one. Wait, why is there double print? That should not be double printing. That should not be double printing at all. That should not be double printing in the slightest. I'm gonna go. I'm curious. That's about what I expected. It's a coding stream, and then I want to go to right here. Awesome. Let's refresh you one more time. Cannot add user to users. Nothing. I forgot to add the boink boink plus, followed by the boink boink plus. Refresh that and see what we get. So that's a double space, so that's trying to force the error message, which is not being returned as neutral. I mean, I guess it is, because it's forcibly adding these anyway. So it's saying like there's no error message. Or sorry, there's no value, but there's an error message. But the error message is also being fucking stupid. Could not add user to users. Let's just throw in a few more try catches in here to pray. What the fuck did I just do? Well, there's probably something I don't know somewhere hiding. Kiss TiB, I will do so when they exist. We're gonna do this dot debug print is gonna be an object actually. The object's gonna be a message that says, "Hey, guess what? Let's see. Could not create user from flags with the value of test underscore message message." Let's give another reset. Let's give another reset. Send it. Send it. Now there's no error. Because it's probably a log, isn't it? No container during UI for the first time. Let's see. Could not get username, could not get icon, could not create user from flags. Okay. So that at least is working as an error message. Type is going to be an error because that's the error. Can I create user from flags lit? Oh, I didn't include the error. Error is going to be equal to error. Blink. No error message. Fucking of course. Why would I expect there to be an error message, huh? That'd be crazy of me. Let's just break this out into new lines so I can parse it a bit easier. Am I doing something wrong with the throw here? Type throw equals new error statement. Now that seems okay to me. I had the logs again. So get all this again. That comes from 4333, which is here. Yep, that's fine. Vulberson, what's up, Blue? What can I do for you? What can I do for you, Blue? So create user from flags. Let's see. We're gonna try just add some try blocks in here. Try. Blink. Catch. We're gonna go like this. We're gonna let existing UUID like this. How many hours do you spend on TiB? A lot. You don't understand, Blue. For the past like 3 weeks, all I've done is work on TiBs in my free time. Like, it might seem like one of those things where, like, you're being lazy. No, this has been a massive effort. Like, this has been an insanely huge effort. And all I can say is that I hope when the new TiB is done, y'all appreciate. Alright, so we're gonna go error. I'm gonna go like this. Yoink. Boink. Go error is gonna be equal to error. And then what we're gonna do here is we're gonna select all this. I'm gonna say we're just gonna say cannot find or get existing UUID. UUID might be bugged. Create user from flags. I'm gonna change this from a set of args to processed message. And let's find all the args in here. Args processed message. There we are. Actually, I'm gonna make it p underscore message because that just makes a lot more sense to me because it saves characters. P underscore message. P underscore message. Damn cute the grind. Thank you. I'm trying. Oh, there's also no. That's not an error there. That's fine. We're gonna like this. We're gonna go p underscore message. P underscore message. There we are. So we're gonna go p underscore message. Alright, that's it for that. So let's see if that shines any light, because I'm now including an error. Can I create user from flag? Oh, could not find or get existing UUID. UUID might be bugged. Oh. We might have made progress. We might have found one of the issues. Let's see, we're gonna go F for the double quote, then we're gonna go like that, boink, then we're gonna go here, then we're gonna go down here, then we're gonna go like that, and yeah. Then we'll say value is gonna be equal to p underscore message. Nice to be comma, not one of those. So it's saying the UUID might be missing or null. Let's see about that. Is this thing are bugs? And then we got all this. Actually, here, let's go back to debug print for a second. I'm going to make a mark here. Then I'm going to go to here. I'm going to do something like this. I'm going to go like message is going to be equal to this. Then we're going to go like that. \n dash val is going to be equal to this. And we're going to include a \n there. And then after that, we're going to do error message. I feel like I'm missing something. Message, no, because that's just the type. Yep. So I'm going to go back to here. And then after that, we're going to rerun it. Let's see what we can poke. Oh, it isn't the error? Or did I just forget to add it because I'm dumb? Did I forget to add the error message or value, whatever, because I'm dumb? I forgot to add the error message value because I'm dumb. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go like this. I'm going to go like is going to be equal to that plus boink. Refresh. Yeah, so there we can see this. Hey, Charles, how's it going? Let me out of your basement? No. I need a water heater, and I'm sorry, there is no water heater quite like slave labor. How are you doing? How's it going? What's up with you? They could not create user from flags, so we're back at this. So we're gonna go back to here. Could not create user from flags. Could not find or get existing UID. UID might be bugged. Where the hell did that go? But the other one passed, so does this one not have a UID? This one has a UID, so you're tripping. And he's working on an OC, drawing him? Heck yeah. I hope the drawing goes well. Let's run a test and see how this is going. Oh, things are going wrong. Error message, test string type, and specified log value null. That seems incredibly fucked. Oh, I see, because it's doing the thing. Yes. So let's just fix the error, or go through the tests as well. Just because, yeah, I want to make sure this is working. So we're gonna go, this is gonna be null. This needs to be null. Bam. Let's rerun the tests. Bap. Let's see. I haven't drawn a bud, so I guess we'll see is live. That is incredibly valid. I hope that it goes well for you. I hope that it goes well. I haven't drawn for a hot minute myself, and there's definitely a little bit of it that's just been like, oh god, I hate everything. Error message type val, error message type data. So data just has to be changed to val. Okay. Data just has to be val. Whoops. Come on, equip it with the stream workload about that. Nah, that just is what they do. That's just how they is. That's just the joy of OC. Okay, what the hell? Log unspecified log. What? What? No. You're not pulling that crap on me. Bug print. No. You're doing fucking null or log. What do you want again? Yeah, your log. So I guess that makes sense because I might as well do that. And then for the tests, we'll make the type null. Null followed by that. Refresh it. Rerun the test because clearly there's something going wrong with my tests. Yeah. Format time invalid string. That doesn't make any sense. Error cannot use an operator search. Okay. When did this shit break? Go to the second tab. Whoopsies. Go to. Let's see. Format time. Where does it say I used the in-word? The in-word. It took me down for the background. I also love how it is based about OC suffering while working on a scarf. That sounds beautiful. It's funny how that message got flagged. Yeah, listen, chat is or YouTube chat scanning is fun. It's absolutely dangerous. Get up first time from input is what I'm looking for. Error cannot use in operator. Just for error and NAND. I don't think I use in anywhere here. Or do I? No, I don't. Okay. So this is an error with like the test system, basically? Is that what this is? Format time. Does the other format times work? No. Is the error the same? Not use error. Count to 11, or sorry, 1326. 1326. Oh, it is there. Okay. Caught error. Cannot use in. Where's the in here? Is there anything in here that uses the in? Just await bot that? No. If type that, no. For input call that. Execute rate raw function. Raw result is actual that. Is fuzzy, so it'd be from in here probably. Where the hell does it say in? Where the hell does it say in? In space. For const key actual. Let's see. So we're just gonna rewrite this as a fucking for loop for let I is equal to 0 while I is less than object dot keys in actual dot length. We're gonna do plus plus I, and we're like that. Yeah, I think I can just do that then. And then we're just gonna say key is gonna be equal to, or no, we're gonna do let key is gonna be equal to nothing yet. Key is then going to be equal to object dot keys. And then we're doing actual, but then we're doing the index of I. Boop. Let's try that as a rerun. We'll try to figure shit out because she got caught on camera. Pretty much. Cannot use an operator. Okay, I'm not using the in operator anymore, though, which is the issue. See, this is why I always hate fucking, like, the fancy, like, things, because, like, ooh, my gosh, wow, it's crazy. Let's see if... Actually, no, we can do that. Expected and key and expected. We'll do, expected is not equal to, undefined. Let's try that and see if that goes. What's the error now? Cannot use in operator. Fucking excuse me, where else is the in? Okay, you know what? We're just doing this. We're doing this. Where's the match fuzzy? Match. Or sorry, we'll just do fuzzy. No. Actual expected path. Okay. We're just gonna go like this because fuck that shit. I'm gonna go like that. Instead we're gonna do function. Wow, crazy, I know. And instead of is fuzzy, let me just double check where this goes. Boink, yeah, okay. So string, if type starts with that. Yeah, okay. No match. Okay, so wait, how far does this go? Well, that's a bit further than I thought. Okay. So what we're gonna say here is basically fuck that shit. Bob says I don't let the McDonald's toys go to waste. I eat those too. Ah, I see. Saving the planet one munch at a time. Class is equal to match is equal to that crap. Let's just see how the test goes here. I think that broke the entire test sweep. Let's just see. Yep. Current expected, yeah, it's entirely broken. Where does it say current expected? And object and actual constructor. Where does it say expected? Current expected is with test dot expected output. Okay, here's what I want to do. Sure, Google, I'll make your both. I have no idea what you're trying to say there, Charles. But how are you doing today? This particular evening? I'm doing fine. I'm doing fine. I'm just little thrilled. You know what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna do match, not match. I'm gonna do fuzzy. I'm just gonna be an absolute nerd, and I'm just gonna do return true because I just want to see all of this shit just go burr. I'm gonna do current expected. Why the hell is this airing? For test of a local manifest, current expected. What is this function even in? Get masked actual. We're not. Get masked actual. Doink. Well, there's only 3 of them. So we're gonna go like this. Haha. How are you doing, Charles? Sorry. Oh shit, I lost my pen. I don't know how I lost the pen. It happens. No. I fully get it. I understand entirely. Okay. Dude, the test suite is an absolute pain in the ass. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna just rewrite all of this because I fucking am just tired with this shit. Because I don't like the way it functions, because holy shit, it's just garbage. Stable stringify, get fucked. Let's see, we're gonna go like that. To plane, run test suite. No, we're gonna get rid of that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this. Let's see, Volvo, take a picture of you. I'm gonna do the most malicious jaw-dropping evil vicious thing ever, turn on the fly. I choked on my laugh, help. Fucking Charles just going absolutely feral in chat. Just absolutely fucking nutteroos. Alright, we're gonna just clear some of this. Yeah. Whoops, not me to do that. It's fine. I close the tab by accident. Oops, let's see. We're just gonna search for. We're gonna go tab new. We're gonna go here. We're gonna go tests atomic. And then now that we're in the atomic test, let's see. Rows. Okay, yeah. See, this is. I guess it doesn't make sense to pre-declare that, but. I really fucking hate this logic. I'm gonna just get rid of all this. I'm fine with this. Am I? No, I'm not. It's garbage. Let's get rid of all of you, because all this is fucking ass. Wait, what's runtime? Get runtime? What's get runtime do again? Oh yeah, the get runtime makes sense. Get runtime is fine. I'm not gonna say runtime is just equal to fucking that. Because it doesn't need to be ran instantly. It could just be fucking that. There we are. Durable cancer just this is Charles' natural state, Blue. They show up, they go absolutely feral, and then they disappear to the void. It's their process. Let's see, we're gonna like that. I don't know, I'm on this tab. Let's go back to here. Yay. I'm fixing this because this is just absolutely dog water. Alright. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna get the runtime. And then I don't think we run test suite anymore, do we? No, we do. Okay. So we got all this, which I'm just also going to get rid of because it's just not very good. Boink. Yeah, we can do that. Okay. So we're gonna go like that. Actually, wait, what's the is the HTML still good for this? HTML. Yeah, the HTML seems okay. Yeah, we're just gonna get rid of all fucking this, because fuck this. That's fine. Oh, this is double space because fucking AI bullshit. Boink, 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 boink. Message got flagged for root notion. Yeah, YouTube loves to do that. Thank you for being a trooper, Blue. Let's see. We're gonna go here, here. Let's see. And there's gonna be rows right there. Yeah, okay. I don't think I want to do rows. Do I want to do rows? No, I'm not gonna do rows. Pass rate. We'll figure that out later. Also, hello again, Tony. How are you doing? Let's see. So 1, 2, 3, 4. For let I is equal to 0, while I is less than manif. Actually, we're just gonna do test dot length. I then want to do plus plus I blank. And then we're just gonna change test manifest to just tests. Blank. Okay. Let's see. So I've already eaten an entire container of mince and drink half a liter of Coke with that. Well, it depends the entire thing, but as Blue says, diabetes is the most likely outcome. Let's see, you're just gonna say boink. We're just gonna swap this out for runtime. Let's say this run, shall we? Ooh, error online. What does it say? 220? 220? Where's the 220? Or the 1220? Yeah, that makes sense. That's fine though, because that means it's basically done. Let me see what Felix is up to. Hey, you have fun with that. I am currently struggle bussing. Let's see. So for tests, let's see. So we're gonna do the current tests. Current test is the result that we're gonna need. We're gonna like that. Here we have an exotic species of vertebrate. It seems to be doing the natural things. That's putting on the odorant. How dare you? I have standards, you know. But what are we doing now? We're going from here. We're gonna say current test is equal to so let's do so we're gonna do current test. We're gonna do expected, and then actual. So we're gonna do current test is equal to test of I. Blink. I forgot. Did I add a sort map here? Like a sort map function? Sort. Nope, cool. It's 8 a.m. when I'm watching a Volby stream. Absolute Cinema. Thank you. Thank you. It's funny, because you missed Absolute Cinema yesterday, and then now you just show up for the code stream, which I'm not complaining about. I'm just like, I'm gonna tuck everything here in a try, just to be safe. Try. Then we're gonna do a catch. Boots. Boots. And we need the log. Log. Oh, not lock. Log. Okay. Let's see. I remember the Goblin stream. No, that was Cinema. Right, we don't talk about the Goblin stream. We don't talk about the Goblin stream. Listen. Why are you summoning these bad energies? These bad energies, yes. I'm gonna say bot. What I'm gonna do is gonna say bot is equal to new cockatiel. We're doing new cockatiel, beautiful, perfection even. Go back game dev before to charge the code. I'd rather shove a pipe bubble layers to do that. Sorry, what to make a game with a dev team when I was in charge of code. I'd rather shove pipe bubble. Yeah, I mean, high demand but low tolerance. I'll say. Let's put it like that. Because your misfortune fuels me. Let's see. So we're doing expected is going to be equal to oh, I didn't get the current. No, I need to do this. I need to. Oh, fuck! I fucked up already. We need to go to current test. We're gonna go try this. We're gonna like this. We're gonna say, hey, this is the init test. Then we're gonna go here and we're gonna run test. Why is this like not on the expected line? That's so fucking strange. Okay. You know, I actually need to fix my nvim file real quickly. 1 second. We're gonna go frickin' cd tilde forward slash. No, it's not under dot files. Where is it again? cd. Let's do ls dash a doot. It was something. I think it was dot file. I think it was under like a dot stow file or something. Was it under dot files or was it under dot stow or what the hell was it? Was it under dot files? ls dash a tilde forward slash dot files. No such directory. Is it capital D? What the hell did I name it again? Up and down and shit. Name it like I'm affected it. Yes, dot files right. Oh, because I didn't do the. I did the dot forward slash. I see. Oopsie poopsie. Anyways, Rory, how the hell are you doing today? How is your day in existence going? Yes, this seems like what I'm doing, but does this have my... Okay, it does. Okay, yeah. So we're doing a quick little sidetrack to cd tilde forward slash dot files, dot files forward slash dot nvim, I'm pretty sure is what I'm looking for. Oh, no, dot conf is what I'm thinking of. Dot conf dot nvim, I'm pretty sure. It's nvim, right? No, it isn't nvim. No, it's not fucking mono. What the hell am I thinking of? Oh, it's just nvim no dot. I see. Yeah. Right, I'm gonna go into nvim to edit my configuration. We're gonna ignore those for now. We're gonna go after I think it's FT plugin, yeah. And then we're gonna go bang and then we're gonna do javascript.vim. And I forget the exact configuration of this. We're gonna go tab new. We're gonna go then to after featured plugins, C, yank, paste, no expand tab 4, shift to tab stop, smart tab, yep. Alright, cool. So we're gonna save that. Then we'll cd back to the home directory just to be safe, because sometimes it likes to not do that. Let's see. What and the game's function mechanics would be. Sorry, if our game dev was search the code, I'd make it a self-insert of my existent rage coding. Ooh, fun. Let's see. We're gonna close you. Then what we're gonna do is we're then going to go to back to here. Don't care. So we're gonna search for the Tiberson. Then what we're gonna do is frick Tiberson, tab new. Then what we're gonna do here is we're then gonna look for the name. The hub block for you to Haas if I throw another $50 at the stream. Can I get a glimpse of those grippers? I want to say no, but hey, good shot. Did it actually block you, Harry? Like, is that a legitimate thing that happened? Like, is that the shit you're now dealing with? Because if so, that's like wild. Anyways, we're going with this. We're going to cockatiel. Then we're gonna go tab new. Then I guess test atomic is all that we need. Test atomic. Yeah, Oswide, that's fucking insane. That surely won't be used for exploitation or anything. I'm sorry, what cursed my ears? Listen, Charles. You think you say curse shit, but then you have people who come and say actual curse shit. So let's see, we're gonna go say here, we're gonna go say bot. Oh no, we're gonna go bot current test, test function, expected is gonna be equal to Current test dot output, I think is what it is. Outputs? Is it output? Expected output. Output. Expected output. Current test is equal to that. Yeah, but what did I hear? Did I hear grippers? Yes, correct, as in feet. Grippers. They're gonna say actual output. I was gonna relabel these slightly. Expected output versus actual output. Let's see. Actual output is going to be equal to that. We're just going to slap in a weight here just to be safe. Because not everything needs to do that. But actual output, actual, yeah, that one. And then we're looking for, let's see, test function is going to be equal to, current test dot something. I'll make a mark here. We're gonna go up the top. Target method is what I'm thinking of. So right here. Current test dot target method. Beautiful. We're gonna go here. We're gonna go expected output. So it matches. Expected output test function. The little there we are. Vol, please put the forks out, list out, Bixville. No, make me. I would say log is going to be equal to just an empty string. I'm going to take a quick piss. I'll be right back. 1 second. I apologize. 1 second. Uno mas. It's time for me to take a piss. Because why not? That's just what I got to do. Ah! Okay, I'm back. I'm back from the piss dimension. How's it going? How you doing? What's up? What you up to? What you doing? What you cooking? Like what says expression expected? Oh, because there's a comma there. Never mind, I thought I did something cool. Whoopsie, that's my bad. Actual output is gonna be boss test function. Damn, how was it? Very wet. Kind of acrid smelling. What question do I ask, bro? None, and that's the point. That's the point. Let's see. I'm trying to think of what else I want to do. Let's see. How to remove map, or let's say function from map JavaScript. Delete, yeah. So we're gonna do this. So we're gonna do that. So there's gonna be we're gonna go here, we're gonna go run test. Then here is we're gonna then compare results. And then I just need to then do build build row. Bam. Imagine searching for a tutorial. Well, that wasn't a tutorial. That was what word I'm looking for out of the, like, 2 million English words. Back 1 out of 10 conversation. In what specific regard? Because there's a lot. Whoopsies. I did not mean to do that. Oops, sheesh. Let's see, build row. Same Sure, let's go with that. Yeah, calling looking up a word tutorial is a bit of a stretch, being real. Bit of a jump, bit of a gander. Okay, so where are we at? So we're at this. So then we'll just do like console dot error. Let's see, error running tests. I'm just gonna include the error right here. And then we're just gonna do the same thing kind of here. Let's do something like this. So let's do error, let's see, comparing results. And then we'll do one more here just to be safe, which will be error building rows. Error building rows. Wink. I see I come, I talk, I do it. Sure, I think. Maybe possibly have it. I don't know what the hell I'm on about. Alright, let's see. So we're gonna do this. Let's see. So we're gonna do we're actually gonna do log as an array. And we're gonna do, let's see, we're gonna do log dot push. Then we're just gonna do let's see, knitting bot for test. And then how do I get a trace in JavaScript again? JavaScript get trace without error. Console.trace, okay. Fuck off. Console without error or console.trace. No, I explicitly just said not use the console.trace. Minus console.trace. Blink. We're gonna remove specifically console.trace. And I'm looking for JavaScript, please. JavaScript. You gotta go, Blue. Have fun. See you around. Have a good time. Do I have to ask an AI? Sure, fuck it. New chat. How do I get a trace in JavaScript without an error or using dot trace, or sorry, or using console dot trace? This is a typical scenario. I do see this function sugar. If you do a clear console result, here's the most efficient way. Get trace error equals do error. Return error stack. Okay. That's fucking insane. That's so fucking stupid. I hate that. I hate that. I actually fucking hate that. Okay. Okay, so what the fuck would I do for that? I'm trying to think of how I could save a bunch of time doing this. No, that doesn't work out. So check out this revolver. Ow, my leg. Dang. Well, you know what? You know, I heard what they said about foot guns, so let's see. So, let's see, we're gonna do this. We're gonna go, I guess, just like, trace, I guess is what I'll call it. Or get trace. But I don't know what else to do. I'm gonna say function get trace. After function get trace. Also, wait a second. Oh, that didn't work when I tried to apply it, I guess. But anyways, let's see. Function get trace is then going to be equal to. I'm trying to think of how I want to do this. So we're going to do sorry, no, we're going to do let is equal to new or error. Then we're going to do return error dot stack, I believe. Yeah, so we're gonna just do that. We're gonna do this dot. So we're gonna do function. No, actually, no, I'm not gonna get trace. I'm just gonna do I'm gonna do add log. I'm gonna do add test log. I guess test. Add test log ATL. And it's gonna be a message. Then what we're gonna do instead is we're gonna do error let trace is gonna be equal to error dot stack. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna do logs dot push. Let me just move logs up a bit. I'm gonna do let logs like this, logs dot push. Then we're gonna do message. Then we're gonna do. Oh, I gotta do this actually. I gotta do like this. No, hang on. I gotta do a quick. I'm just thinking of the way I want to do the string. Then I gotta do a message, and then I also want to do a quick space to be safe. Then I want to then follow up with trace. I should probably just JSON dot parse that, right? So I'm just gonna do JSON dot stringify you just to be safe. Because I don't think you'll do this, but it doesn't hurt to try. I know we want 4, please. There we are, beautiful. I know stream drop my OT. Good luck, have fun. Bye. Have fun, Charles. Have a good one. Ugh. Just trying to grind through this. Yeah, there we are. I need this. Maybe like that. Yeah. This is a lot better. Okay, so now we got that. We're gonna say not log, but logs. And then instead of log.push, we're gonna do ATL. ATL. And then ATL, I'm just gonna add a note here. Add trace log. There we are. Beautiful. ATL is then going to be this, and I don't gotta do anything fancy with it. Let's see, ATL, getting current, tests. Then here we're doing ATL, getting expected, outputs. Let's see, getting, test function. After that, we're doing, we're gonna do, running, test on func. I guess I'll do a $sign thingamajigam here. Whoopsies, so we're gonna go here, then we're gonna go like this. And we're gonna go do, test function. I'm gonna add the double quotes here, because, yeah, that makes sense to me. Beautiful. Yeah. Okay. Then we run the test, and then now I gotta compare the tests. Compare the test. So what I want to do is I want to do this. Let's see. This is a con, not com. There we go. Then now we're gonna do 3 ATL Let's see, comparing test results. And then what I gotta do now is I then gotta say, okay, so let's see, we're gonna do 4, let j is equal to 0, then while j is less than, object dot keys, let's try to think, object dot keys, this would be, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do, if, and then we're gonna do else. Oopsies, this between E, there we are. Let's see, if object dot keys you is going to be less than the object dot keys of other thing. Let's see. Doop. We're gonna do the object dot keys of expected output versus the actual output. Oh, it needs to be the length. Dot length. Dot length. So we're gonna like that. Beautiful. This is gonna be set to the lesser value for compare. So this one I don't want to be logs. I want it to be, I guess, comparisons. No, I don't want to be comparisons. Whatever. We'll work through this as it goes. So then now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna do the one that's less. So I'm actually gonna go up here. I'm gonna then do lesser keys. I'm gonna go here and go lesser keys is gonna be, I don't know, I'm calling it as a function. Lesser keys is gonna be equal to expected output. And then if not, then we're gonna do lesser keys is gonna be equal to actual output. There we are, and then we're just gonna say lesser keys dot length, lesser keys dot length. Wonderful. Then we're doing plus I. Oh no, it's gonna be j. Oopsies, don't want to make that error. Okay, I mean, this will run forever. Then what do I want to do from here? What I want to do is I want to do the comparison. I could debatably abstract this into a function. So I'm just gonna go here and I'm just gonna go like boink, and I'm just gonna do like a func question mark. And then let's see. I'm gonna then do this. I'm gonna say if yeah, I'm gonna do this. If let's see, actual output is equal to an object. Sorry, not equal to an object. I'm gonna do if type of this thing here is equal to object. Then I'm gonna do this logic. No, do I want to do that? It's a bit of a pain in the ass. I'm not sure if I want to do it this way, because then I'd have to duplicate this logic. Yeah, I guess I'll just do that. Trying to think of how I would want to do this, actually. You know what? Let's do the greater key. No, because I'm still trying to think of the difference. Let's see. You know what I can actually do is I can just make a list of total keys, actually. So let's just do this. Let's do this. We're gonna go like this. Yeah, okay, I know what to do now. I think I know what to do now, at least. We're gonna do, let's see, boop, boop. We're gonna move this up a little bit. Let's see, we're gonna do, compile, total key list, of both objects. Doink. So then, I don't know if I want to go depth searching, which would be a pain in the ass, but I guess I could. Do I? Don't I? Yes, and oh, I just realized the time. I'm gonna have to sign off. Rip a Rooney. I'm gonna have to go because it's late and I have work tomorrow and I want to get some sleep. So hey, you know what? Thank you to everybody for tuning in. I'm gonna have to work on this all week and grind the shit out of this. So that's gonna suck, but yeah. TiB done. Not even fucking close, Tony. Not even fucking close. Not even fucking close. So I'm gonna say, hey, thanks for watching. A special thank you to Cutting Stunts for that insane donation, and also Tony, and also Bubsha for donations. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with you all, but thank you. And yeah, I'm about to grind this shit out because, oh my gosh, this sucks, but I'm about to get it done. Oh. So thank you for watching. And I'm gonna say, have a good nighty, every boobers.